This week's Higher Ed Highlights recaps a busy couple of weeks that took Chancellor Gardner and other ODHE staff members to the western side of the state before concluding with a building dedication back in Columbus. Penta Career Center in Perrysburg hosted the most recent meeting of the Toledo Metropolitan Area Council of Governments. Chancellor Gardner was present early in the day for an education caucus that included Bowling Green State University President Rodney Rogers and Owens Community College President Steve Robinson. The Chancellor then addressed the larger group and shared how the state is working to retain talent in Ohio.
We have more to offer than almost any state in the country. And it starts to show that we are now a net importer of students coming to Ohio to go to college here. And we're able to retain more of our existing high school graduates, a declining number, by the way, which is a challenge demographically, but we're able to do that. So that's not only good for our college universities, that's potentially really good for our state's economy because we have a better chance of retaining that talent.
Chancellor Gardner continued his day in Northwest Ohio with visits to two independent campuses, Mercy College and Lourdes University. The visits included campus tours and featured a look at Mercy's Nursing Skills Lab and the esports program at Lourdes, as well as one-on-one discussions with Mercy College President Dr. Susan Wagert and Lourdes President Dr. Mary Ann Gowelick. Members of ODHE's economic development staff traveled to the University of Cincinnati for the opening of the 21st World Council and Assembly on Cooperative Education Conference. The multi-day WACE conference featured delegates from more than 30 countries and an opening keynote about the role of education in the future of work from Irina Bokova, the former Director General of UNESCO, a specialized agency of the United Nations. Finally this week, Chancellor Gardner and Lieutenant Governor John Husted joined City of Columbus officials and others for a ribbon-cutting ceremony marking the opening of Columbus State Community College's Mitchell Hall. The new 80,000-square-foot facility is home to Columbus State's School of Hospitality Management and Culinary Arts and is named for Cameron Mitchell, the well-known founder and CEO of Cameron Mitchell Restaurants. Mitchell Hall opens to students this fall and features a 100-seat culinary theater, an event center and conference facility, a full-service restaurant, and 7 new teaching kitchens. Look for Higher Ed Highlights on the Ohio Department of Higher Education's YouTube page and through our Facebook page and Twitter feed, and check out our website at ohiohighered.org. Thank you for watching, and come back next week for another round of Higher Ed Highlights.